Hello and welcome to the Glitch channel. Today I'm going to be showing you 5 ways to increase the speed of your PC. Alright, let's get started. The first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and go into your task manager. Go ahead and click on the startup tab. And as you can see here, you can disable or enable startup items. The more you disable, the quicker your PC will start up. And now we're going to clean up some temp files. Hit Windows key and R, type in temp, hit Control A, select all files, and delete. We can also gain system performance by uninstalling programs that are not used. So hit Start, uninstall, add and remove programs. You'll have a program list, and you can just go ahead and click on whatever you want to uninstall or you no longer use. We can also gain some extra performance by going to Start, type in PC, right click on PC, go to Properties. Once it's up, you can go ahead and go over to Advanced System Preferences, and then you can change performance settings. You can click on Custom, unselect all except for smooth edges of screen fonts, and that'll give you a little bit more performance. And also we're going to stay here in the system properties and go to system protection. You can turn on or off restore points. Let's go ahead and head back to the advanced tab, back to settings, advanced tab again, and we can change the paging file. So what this does is takes RAM that's unused or not currently being interacted with and puts it on your hard drive. So you can change this to a custom setting, change it to system managed, or no paging file at all. The next step is just simply updating your PC. So hit Start, type in Update, check for the newest updates, and of course I'm already up to date, but install any updates that it suggests. The next thing we're going to change is the power settings. Go to Start, type in Power, go to Power and Sleep Settings, go ahead and choose Additional Power Settings, and then hit the drop down for Show Additional Plans. Click on High Performance and close the window. Well, that's all I have for you today. If you want more videos like this, go ahead and hit like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments what other questions you may have or other ways to speed up your PC.